Nagbabalik po ang DepED Hour. Para sa ating Tele-Turuan, matutunghayan natin ang aralin sa science na may paksang comparison of camera to the human eye, kung saan ang ating pong teacher presenter ay si Mr. Mark Jefferson Santiago.
Hello kids, this is Kuya MJ, your science explorer. In this episode, we are going to learn the parts of the eye. Our eye has four main parts: the cornea, the inner lens, pupil, and the retina. Cornea is the outer lens of the eye that filters the light. Light passes through the cornea and reaches the opening called pupil. The pupil is a small opening between the cornea and the inner lens. The main function of pupil is to control the amount of light that will pass through the lenses. It opens and closes just like a small door but in a circular shape. It reduces and increases the amount of light for us to see image in our surroundings. The inner lens is the second lens of the eye, which focuses the light to be able to capture color, which will be converted into image. The retina converts light into image, which is being interpreted by our brain. It has a lot of sensors which are being connected to the optic nerve at the back of our eye. The last part is the optic nerve. It transports image impulse from the eye to the brain. Kids, did you know that cameras work just like our eyes? Let's compare the parts of the camera to the parts of our eyes. Let's look into the parts of the camera. First one is the lens. The lens works like just the eye's cornea. The light enters through the lens, and this is where the photo process begins. Aperture works just like the pupil of the eye. The aperture affects the image exposure by changing the diameter of the lens opening. It also works as the inner lens, which controls the amount of light reaching the image sensor. The last part is the image sensor, or in the old cameras it is called the film. It serves as the retina. Like the retina, the image sensor converts the optical image to an electric signal, which is then sent to your memory card or the brain of the camera. Have you learned something today, kids? Let's find out. Try to name the parts of the eye shown in its picture. Great, kids! Now, let's try to name the parts of the camera. Well done, kids! Till next time, kids, let's learn more about science. Goodbye!